back at it again with another video. Today is the happiest day of my life. Not only did I get a chance to own my dream car, I've had a chance to build it, and I've been fortunate enough to get the car to where it's at now. And let me tell you, I'm more than surprised, I'm more than shocked at the power that it's putting down now. This is a sneak peek. I'm at the Dyno shop in Naples, and man, oh man, she's a beast, man. I cannot tell you, there's no word that can explain the excitement and how proud I am of what I've been able to accomplish. I used to watch videos on YouTube with guys, you know, making 600, 700 horsepower, and I never thought that I'll someday own a car that makes that. Crazy thing is, when I was young growing up, you know, I never thought I'd be able to own a car that makes 200 horsepower. Back then, that was a lot. You know, 200 horsepower, you was the man for a street car. And as I got older, the powers kept going up and up and up and up. And to where I'm at now, man, it's a good day. What's going on, guys? So, again, it's the next day. Apologize, the car's dirty, but I have to get this done. So right now, my tuner is remote tuning the car for me. Yesterday, we went into the headache where the meth was cut on, but it would not spray, so I had to get that situated this morning. I finally figured out what the problem was, and now we're doing a couple of more pulls and adjustments, make sure everything is good. I think I have to turn the car. Hold on. So yeah, we're communicating right now. It's telling me what to do. Yeah, ignition to on. Okay. So I got to turn the car off. Then turn it on. So now he's writing the tune. Man, I appreciate this man. He, you know, he's definitely looking out for me. Definitely one of the best in South Florida. I appreciate this a whole lot, man. I've done a lot in the past couple of weeks. AEM, white band gauge, out key control, meth kit, dual nozzle. Hopefully we can get everything ironed out so I can take this baby to the dyno this upcoming Saturday, and then, you know, we'll see what we're making. So hopefully soon, man, hopefully soon. All right, so right now he's writing the tune, so that means everything is good. The meth is cutting on how it's supposed to cut on. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love this shit, man. A lot of people don't understand, you know, they wonder why you spend so much money on your car. Well, you know, that's what makes me happy, man. It is, you know, that's my sanctuary. I don't do drugs, I don't sell drugs. It's my only bad habit. But I mean, it's hot as Florida sun, as you can see. I'm just parked in the middle of the road. All right. Now I'm about to do another third gear pull and see how that goes. Alright, sport mode, traction control off. Quick pulley swap. Nah, Punta Gorda. Oh, okay. Punta Gorda. Just moved up there from Miami. It's a nice change, man. Yeah. Edgar is working on the tune now. He's looking at everything, make sure everything good before we do the run. Car strapped on a dyno. not gonna lie to you guys, I did not expect the power that it's making. Now mind you, before Edgar did his thing, I had a bad tune. The shop literally ripped me out of a lot of money. I finally pulled the trigger on Edgar, and this is what we making. 690 to the wheels. Yeah, she's moving. My baby is moving, man. I'm proud. I'm not gonna lie to you. Healthy. So here's the deal. The car made 698. You might as well say 700 to the wheels. It made 628 torque at very, very low RPM. I was surprised about that too, because the Prochargers, they don't, it's usually at the highs, but 628 at 5,000 RPM, I believe. Or was it 4? I think it was 4. 628 at around 4,000 RPM is not bad at all. I'm very happy, man. If you can't tell, I'm very happy. Now, I'm taking that trip home. I gotta get some stuff to cook. And tomorrow, if it stops raining, we'll check the shift points and make sure the car's shifting where it needs it to shift. That's it, man. All I can say, I've been blessed. I feel blessed. It definitely is a blessing, man. Because, like I said, ever since Camaro came back, I had a lime green. I'll try to find a picture. I should still have the picture of it. I had a lime green with white stripes, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't really like it. It wasn't an SS. It was a regular. It was RS, actually. I didn't really like it because there was no room. My knees, I couldn't drive. It was very uncomfortable. I ended up letting it go. But I've always said, man, when I can, God willing, I'll go ahead and buy me another Camaro. But this time, if I do get another Camaro, it have to be an SS. I wanted a ZL1. Find one that I like. Like I said, I didn't buy the car from a dealer. I got it at the auction. I fixed it, put it all together. I couldn't find a ZL1 that I like, so I ended up going with the SS. But I've always knew if I do get a Camaro, I am definitely going to make it hard for Hellcats. That was my goal. Now I can say with great comfort and not being cocky, but ain't no Hellcats fucking with me now. If we being honest. My cousin have a red eye, pretty much stock. I don't know. I think it's done something to it. I'm not sure. I think he got a bigger throttle body. I don't know. Maybe a smaller pussy. I'm not sure. But he has a red eye. Challenger. I can't wait till I get back down to Miami and see what you do, because my God, this car is different. This car is different. I'm definitely getting some wheels. If not this week, then next week for sure. Once I get the wheels, I'll take it out and